Hey neighbor, here's video number 1. I told you last week that I was going to get this thing started, so here we go. Video number 1. Let's go. Hey neighbor, how are you? I hope all is well. Today is Tuesday, September 18th, 2025. This is not the video I was expecting to make for my first video, my first complete video here on the Strengthen the Positive channel. But maybe that's the point. So right now, as I'm in the process of launching this channel along with Strengthen the Positive and everything else I have going on between my books and all that kind of stuff, I found out last Friday, I found out last Friday that it looks like my role is going to be phased out at my job. I work for a company that works directly for the Department of Veterans Affairs, and every year the contract gets renewed. And while it's a multi-year contract, every year the VA gets to kind of pick and choose what's going to be part of the contract and what's not. At least that's my understanding. So they've decided that my role or the services that I provide, change management and training, and a couple others are no longer needed for the contract. So here I am. I'm now starting another transition, going from fully employed and trying to start a business to not so fully employed and still trying to start a business. But that's okay. It's all right. Here I am. I'm applying for jobs. I'm getting no notifications yet. Like I said, it was just on Friday, so it's just been a few days. But this channel isn't here because I have all the answers. This channel is here because I'm hoping that we can have discussions about finding those answers. And that's really what it's all about. So since Friday, there have been some days that have been pretty good. Some days that feel like I'm running out of time. Some days are, and I know it's just been a few, but some days are more difficult than others as I'm thinking about the future and trying to push forward. But here's the thing, I'm still standing. And I'm going to still be standing. And that's why I created this space. It's not just for those who are going through the transition, but it's also kind of for me too. So we're going to walk through this journey together. I'm here hoping that you will join me in this journey, and I will also be doing my best to help you through yours. So in the next couple of weeks, if you're wondering, I just yawned, so yeah, I had to cut that out. So over the next few weeks, I will be sharing parts of my story along with hopefully helping you with yours. And I'll also be sharing portions of my books as we're going forward. And we'll also be talking about some different things that'll hopefully help you through your journey. So if you've never felt like you've had it all together, this is the right place for you. Because I know I certainly don't have it all together. So do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below. Let's get this conversation started, and tell me where you are in your journey, and we'll go through this together. All right? So for now, my friends, let's roll, right? Let's do this thing. Take care, be well, and go slow. We'll see you soon.